Another day, another vlog. Right. First car, we have 86 by the one and only Mr. Dennis. Look at that beauty. This car will get our V4. And this car, I think everyone knows this car. Calsonic GTR. And Miggy will get our ambient light. And also this one right here, all repaired. So good as new. Yes?
Hi guys, I'll take over Jim's vlog, but first...
You're just gonna do... Oh, he's feeling me, he's feeling me.
So, no, guys, let's go back to fog lights. Ayun lang. We have fog lights, guys, don't forget. Fog lights, we have. All cars, fog lights, meron na.
I have a question.
What?
What's the price?
Price, probably a lot cheaper because trying to bring down pricing for fog lights. Yeah, we're trying to make it more accessible to everyday guys. Because it's not like fog lights will, you know, do anything to the car. It's safety for night. But look at Meg's GTR, pretty nice. Naayos na agad yung bangga. Let's go!
How do you say? What about Dennis? You're not gonna give shit about Dennis' car? Wow, what an asshole.
Congrats Dennis, di nasira yung 86.
Dennis's car, done. V4 Underglow. It's bright. Let's compare it to the V3, shall we? Bright. 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 One more. Bright. Bright. Right. So the GTR with ambient almost done. Oh no, it's off. I got a sneak peek of it earlier. You're gonna see that again. Next shot, hopefully.
We're done syncing it on the app. Car is good for release, but yeah, I'm still gonna put decals. Yeah.
You don't wanna show the lights?
James will do a B-roll later. Tired, but look at the version 4.
Yes. Let's look at what I already told the people.
I'll play some golf.
Where?
I don't know, the weekend's so long. I wanna play already.
What's your form? Let me see.